Welcome to Tech Geek. Here is how to use Quick Launch Camera on Samsung Galaxy S9. To go to your Galaxy S9's camera app the fastest way, follow these steps. First of all, go to your device's app screen by swiping up or down from the home screen. From the apps list, locate and open your phone's settings. From the device's settings, scroll down and tap on the Advanced Features. From the Advanced Features page, tap on the switch button for Quick Launch Camera. A lighted blue button means that the feature is turned on, while a gray switch button means that the feature is turned off. That's it, you have enabled the Quick Launch Camera feature on the Samsung Galaxy S9. You can now quickly open your phone's camera by pressing the power key twice. Was this tutorial helpful? If yes, then please subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.